So today, let's talk about the expansion of the Ghanaian car manufacturing sector, as well as the automotive sector in the country in general. A transformative milestone is unfolding, that's signaling the rapid expansion of Ghana's car manufacturing sector. A Ghanaian company, JA Plant Pool Ghana Limited, a titan in the heavy-duty equipment industry, has taken a bold leap to advance the car manufacturing market with the grand launch of a massive SUV range of vehicles. This is powerful for the Ghanaian car manufacturing industry as it shows Ghana's growing influence in the global automotive landscape. So join me today as I explore how this launch, held at the company's head office in Jolo, Accra, would actually aid in boosting transportation in our nation. Before we progress further, hit the like button and also subscribe as I bring you this insightful and progressive launch. JA Plant Pool Ghana Limited rolled out the red carpet for the Swiss SUV range, which is the name of the vehicle launched by the Ghanaian company. This is a vital moment both for the Ghanaian company and Ghana's car manufacturing industry, as the launch of a wide range of vehicles, including SUVs, is always something noteworthy for the Ghanaian car manufacturing industry and the automotive industry. The vision, ambition and commitment of the company to drive Ghana forward is massive, letting the vision known to the public how they intend to massively boost the sector, with companies like Kantanka Automobile also leading the charge. The launch event was held at the company's head office in Jolu. It drew industry leaders, government officials and car enthusiasts, all curious about the launch of this latest SUV vehicles in collaboration with China. That is to tell you that this is a new dawn in the Ghanaian car manufacturing industry, because car manufacturing plants and local vehicle manufacturers are gaining the recognition they need. JA Plant Pool Ghana Limited is a subsidiary of the world-renowned Ghanaian construction giant Jospon's group of companies. The company, which partnered with Suwest, officially the Southeast Motor Company Limited, a Chinese automotive company based in Fujian. This collaboration brought SUVs, including models like S06, S06DM, which is a hybrid model, and S07, S08. They were all designed and produced in China. However, this is the initial step into the automotive sector in Ghana, and JA Plant Pool has announced plans to commence the local vehicle assembly in Ghana within the coming years. And JA Plant Pool has announced plans to commence local vehicle assembly in Ghana within the coming years. This could lead to the future local production of Suez vehicles in Ghana. At least that is the dream. Or partnering with other companies in launching their vehicles and assembling them in Ghana. A further collaboration between Ghana and China is going to manifest, but for now, the Swiss SUV range is imported into Ghana and not manufactured here now. This launch also kicked off the Swiss experience from August 4 to August 8, 2025. It is designed to immerse Ghanaians into the future possibilities and vision of mobility, incorporating the country into the Swiss experience. That is to tell you that they are testing the market and local production will soon begin. From test drives to interactive sessions for Ghanaians to engage with the groundbreaking initiative, which is JA Plant Pool's decision to venture into the consumer automotive space. It is all a testament to Ghana's growing industrial capabilities, and it's a clear signal that the nation is ready to compete on the global stage with the aid of these partnerships, as the company is following the likes of Kantanka Automobile, which have done this in the past by partnering with other Chinese firms. JA Plant Pool Ghana Limited, which has been the backbone of Ghanaian's heavy-duty equipment sector, is soon to supply the parts that will empower the automotive sector in Ghana. The company is staring into this new territory with the Swiss SUV range, a move that showcases the versatility of Ghana's industrial sector. This is the first launch of any vehicle from the Southeast company, and if the Ghanaian consumer market is favorable to it, the launch of these kinds of vehicles would be rampant in the country, further reducing their prices and making them accessible for Ghanaians. This is about expanding the Ghanaian automotive sector and responding to the evolving needs of Ghanaians who demand vehicles that are smart, sustainable and accessible. And by introducing the Swiss lineup, JA Plant Pool is positioning itself as a trailblazer in Ghana's car manufacturing sector, proving that the local companies can lead the charge in innovation. They are taking the first step, testing the market with SUV range to ensure that there is demand before the local production is carried out. It is a carefully curated collection of vehicles designed to meet the diverse needs of Ghanaian drivers, from urban commuters to families embarking on cross-country ventures. These SUV vehicles that have been launched are set to blend cutting-edge technology with practicality and style, and this launch marks a significant milestone in Ghana's journey towards becoming a hub for automotive manufacturing, as the local company JA Plant Pool is partnering with China to ensure this is carried out. And with Ghana and China working on a tariff-free import and export, it will be enabling the reduction of prices of these vehicles. At the heart of this historic launch are 4 remarkable SUV vehicles that have been said to be crafted to elevate the driving experience while addressing the unique demands of Ghanaian roads and lifestyles. The S06 is compact. It is designed for a modern urban drive. It has a sleek design and fuel-efficient engine, making it very good for navigating bustling city streets while keeping costs low. Also, the S06DM, which is a hybrid vehicle, combines the traditional fuel power as well as providing electricity charging. It offers a greener alternative for eco-conscious drivers, with Ghana soon to take the transition from jet fuel to electricity. The S07 also is a spacious and family-oriented vehicle. It is built for those that need room for adventures. And S09 is the flagship of the lineup. It is a luxury SUV vehicle that redefines sophistication. It is packed with state-of-the-art technology, and this is just to sum up the vehicles being launched. Each model is the West SUV range, which is from the Chinese manufacturing plant. It is a testament to JA Plant Pool's commitment to delivering vehicles that are not only stylish, but also affordable and yet reliable. Once the Ghanaian consumer market grow accustomed to this, we'll be seeing the launch and production of these vehicles. These vehicles that are not really the household brands are looking to expand in Ghana, and JA Plant Pool Ghana Limited is looking at the opportunity to launch these vehicles in Ghana and making sure that the Ghanaian vehicles are inexpensive. It is a very experimental way of thinking, but it is one that we need in Ghana. Experimentation is very vital, as partnerships like these will enable the country give rise to a very diverse range of vehicles, as well as making sure that they are affordable for the Ghanaian people. It is ambitious yet business oriented, because all over the world, looking at problems and solving them will lead to your business expanding, at the same time aiding the economy of the country. It is a win-win situation for both the company and the Ghanaian automotive sector. The Chief Operation Officer of JA Plant Pool's Technical and Logistics Cluster also shared a compelling vision. During his welcome address, he emphasized that the launch is not just about unveiling the new vehicles, it's about immersing Ghanaians into a new way of driving, a new option to choose from. It is about helping shape a future where transportation is sustainable, inclusive and transformative. And these insights are very spot on. We are hoping that the Ghanaian car manufacturing industry will also blossom with the launch of these vehicles. It's clear that the launch of the Swiss SUV range by JA Plant Pool Ghana Limited is more than just a corporate milestone. It will be defining a moment for Ghana's automotive industry. These remarkable SUVs are a partnership between Ghanaian firms and the Chinese manufacturing company. Our manufacturing sector is on the rise, and this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more updates, as I'll be informing you on all the developments in Ghana's local car manufacturing firms. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Also hit the like button to inform others on this innovative thing, and also subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification so as not miss any details on Ghana's developments. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.